Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with another motor vlog, and today we are going to the Penukonda fort. I've heard a lot of hype about this place, so people have been talking non-stop about this fort, saying that this fort is awesome. You know, it is a must-visit place. Everybody has to visit this place at least once in their life. I mean, I don't understand what's the hype with this place. There are mixed reviews online. Some people say that the road to the place is good, but the place in overall is pretty average. But then there are some people who say that I'm a frequent rider. They go every weekend there, almost all weekends. It's a good ride and stuff. So I don't know. We will have to go there and judge the place maybe. So let's go there and see how the place is, whether it's worthy, of going there frequently. Because I'm falling short of places, and I did research a few places, and I'm planning to visit these places in the coming future. So those vlogs will be coming separately. So now our target is Penukonda. We are going in through some gullies now. So I put the map to Penukonda. It's showing 3 hours 1 minute from my place. So I think once I enter the main road, the time will reduce, because these are small gullies and I cannot speed here. I have to control my speeds in these areas because this is the first time I'm coming here, so I don't know. I mean, my God. These people, man, they take all these trucks through these small roads. I mean, it's horrible. See, this is the problem. If you do something good, then you get stuck. I mean, at least the plus side of this is that I'm skipping traffic, so it's okay. I mean, this is fine. Itna to chalta hai. So I'll tell you guys the plan now. So currently we are in the outer ring road, which goes towards Yeshwanthpur. So basically this route is through the airport road. I mean, the route which we used to go to Nandi. So that is the route here. We have to go through Yelahanka. So, I mean, after that even I don't know. I mean, last time we went to Adiyogi, I think we had taken the same route. So maybe it's following the same route, but it's a little more distant than Adiyogi. I mean, we'll have to cross a bigger distance. Adiyogi, I think it was around 60-65, and this is 130. So yes, definitely great roads. Yeah, coming back to our plan, so we'll be reaching Yelahanka, if I'm not wrong, around 10:30, maybe, most probably. And we'll be stopping there for some tea. So actually I was supposed to start at 8 o'clock in the morning. I thought, okay, we'll start at 8 and then we'll go slowly. But then I woke up at 8, so we started at 9, and it's 9:27 now. So I think we'll go. I've not had breakfast, I've not had tea, nothing. I just started directly from there. So we'll go, we'll have some tea, biscuit, breakfast or something. Let's see. Maybe, because I don't know if we'll get something on the way. I've been stuck in the same signal for the past 20 to 30 minutes. That's the condition of traffic in Bangalore. I mean, it's Saturday morning, I get it. I mean, people are working on Saturdays as well, yeah. So maybe because of that. But bro, I was supposed to reach there at 12. It was 11:59, it became 12. Now it shows 12:27. So 27 minutes I've been waiting here. My God. I mean, we'll have to catch up on the highway. at least a little bit. Maybe if we can reach there around 12 also, it's a big achievement, but I don't think so. It's already showing 12. Okay, it's become 12:27. I mean, I don't know. It's going to take a lot of time now. And previously I told 130 kilometers. It's not 130, so it's already I mean, it's showing 140 kilometers more, and I've already traveled around 10-12 kilometers. So it would be, I mean, not 10-12 also, I mean more than 12. I think around 15-16 kilometers I've traveled. So it was 156 kilometers total, and we have 140 more to go. And I've started at home from 9. It's 9:50. 50 minutes I've only managed to travel 15 or 16 kilometers. So I've been sitting in this traffic for quite some long time now. So I thought, why not introduce this jacket? So even though it's very hot today, it is a very sunny day. I mean, I feel relieved riding in this jacket. So this is a jacket by Royal Enfield. It's a complete mesh jacket. So if you see, there is a lot of wind that is passing through the jacket. And apart from that, this jacket is made from 100% recycled material. So it came along with a card which said that it's made from completely recycled material. And I'm just wearing a very thin liner inside. I mean, it's not even a liner. We can call it basically a very thin white t-shirt. I'm wearing white because of the heat. And then I thought, okay, I'll just put this jacket on top of this. So basically, this is the first ride with this jacket. I generally don't ride. So the past 3 vlogs, if you might have seen, I've just worn a hoodie or some kind of sweatshirt. But this time I thought, okay, since we are going on the highway and it's around 150-160 kilometers from home, I'm wearing this jacket. So hopefully we don't feel the heat much. I mean, as of now, I'm pretty fine. I'm chill, not too hot. On the way, we'll have to see, because now there are trees all around me. Maybe in the highways, there might be no trees. So we'll have to see how that goes. We are finally out of that traffic. My God, I lost almost 30 to 40 minutes there in that just one, not even 200 meters in that section. When we are finally out, now we are en route to Penukonda. I mean, it says 139 kilometers more, and it's going to take us 2.5 hours. So probably once we reach the highway, it's going to take much less time. But at this speed, yes, it's going to take us 2.5 hours. And again, we'll be stopping. So I thought of stopping for breakfast, but then no, we'll not be stopping for breakfast. We'll just stop for a quick tea or something, just a refreshment stop. I won't take a lot of time. Yes, it says Penukonda is 98 kilometers. So we just crossed some place called Bagepalli, and there's a toll ahead. I think this is the second toll that we're passing, one near our airport, and then this is the second one. So this is the best thing of traveling on a bike. The tolls are free, you don't have to pay for anything. Thank you, visit again Karnataka. Okay, done. So now we are officially in Andhra. Yes, so this is the entrance of the Penukonda Fort. So I think it starts here. The Twisties, I'm expecting the Twisties. I mean, the whole purpose of riding 156 kilometers was only to ride on those hairpin bends. I mean, people might think I'm an idiot to drive all this way just to feel those hairpin bend and again drive 156 kilometers back. But then, if you're a rider, you'll understand me better. But for all the others who are watching, I mean, I guess you guys won't understand why I've come here. Once we reach the top, I'll even get a few drone shots, maybe of the whole way, so that you guys will understand what I was talking about. Okay, this is the beginning of the fort. This also looks like some kind of fort building. So I think we are supposed to go here. I'm not sure if this is the way. Looks like this is the way. But again, I'm not sure. Okay, this says I have to go back. It looked like this was the route, but it's asking me to go and turn somewhere else. And is there even a road here? Oh yeah, okay. There is a road here, okay. So I'm supposed to take this route. Okay, so we have reached somewhere. No, Penukonda Fort. Right, ah? Okay. Ah, okay, okay. Huh? Ah. Right straight. Ah. Okay. Thank you. I'm not sure. I think this is the way. Let me ask someone. No, Penukonda Fort. Fort. Straight, ah? Ah, sunrise viewpoint, ah? Okay. Thank you. Uh-huh. Okay. Good guy. And it's the sunrise viewpoint. I think he understood seeing the bike where I wanted to go. So I think we still have to go 6 kilometers from here, man. I think we instead of putting Penukonda Fort, I should have put Penukonda Sunrise Point. We crossed the area and came back. So that is why this guy told main road. So I think he meant the highway. Okay, hopefully this goes straight to the highway. I mean, at least. Okay, it's not the highway. Oh, this is the main road the guy was talking about. Okay, the road from which we entered. We saw the Penukonda Fort entrance, right? I think that is the road he was talking about. Okay. So then it's fine. Not very far. Yes. So this is the route. So guys coming next. I have not seen anybody explain the route in any of the videos. So there is this Global Center School, some kind of route there. So you guys have to follow this route and come. I should have come early in the morning, man. Coming here now at this time was a mistake actually. Anyway, this road is also good. Maybe that was some other place. I'm not sure. Once I reach the top, I'll show you guys the complete route. Yes, this is the road. Yes! Finally. The 156 kilometers that I rode was for this. Yeah. Finally. I can breathe peacefully now. Ooh. I mean, you guys won't be able to understand why I'm so excited. I mean, I've been dying to ride in roads like this. Last I rode was in Hairpin, if I'm not wrong. That was I think a few months back last year. Oh, great. I'm in love with these roads, man. It was worth coming here, bro. It was worth coming here. I had a doubt in my mind whether I'll be wasting my time traveling this long just to, ride on a small road. But then no, this is equally worth it. Sorry, my sound gets a bit squeaky when I'm excited. I can see other fellow riders there. My god, the view from here, man. That was one hell of a turn. Ooh, that is steep. This is going to be steep. And this is the climb many riders have fallen. I've seen a video where all these GS versus all these big bikes, they fall during that climb. So the key is to, you know, have basic throttle control and not like blindly throttle up. I think that's it. This is the fort. I think we've reached on the top. Stop here, click some pics and come. I mean, that's about it for the fort. There's nothing much. I mean, I'm going to a point, that point that you see there. I'll be able to fly my drone there and show you the complete view of the fort. I mean, it looks good, but I came here for this road and it worked. Yes, so finally we're done seeing the place. I mean, I'm not interested in this historical kind of stuff. There is a trekking there, but I have no energy for the trekking now. My main purpose of the visit was those roads, which we did see. And you guys also might have seen the drone shots from there. So yes, it was pretty amazing. And I mean, every biker, as long as I know, are interested in such roads. I mean, anywhere there is a ghat section or where there is winding, where there is twisting, all those stuff, they will definitely be interested on those roads. There are many other bikers as well who have come. It's a proper Korean restaurant, and I just had food from there. It's very, I mean, the food is great. You should definitely try this Korean food if you guys are coming here. Yes, and that wraps up our trip, and now we are on the way back home. So our estimated time is around 5:35. Yeah, I mean, I spent a lot of time having food here. Okay, I'll see you guys home. Yes, so finally we're done with the ride. It was a pretty exhausting ride, and like since it's because of the heat, not because of the distance. Distance was still okay, but then because of the heat, it was very exhausting. I came back, I slept for some time, then I just woke up. I thought I'll do the outro for the video. And, thanks for tuning in and watching the video. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos like this. We are coming up with, you know, better rides, fun rides, and I'll be traveling with my group. And there's another video that is coming pretty soon regarding an event that I'll be attending. Stay tuned.